quick vid from inside the EV in the storage unit, just demonstrating a little bit of progress after the video I put up a while back of me mucking around with it, trying to work out why it wasn't moving. Key in, turn, lights come on, if you can see that, there we go. Clunk from the contactor, stick it in first, handbrake off. Ooh. We have motion. Stick it in reverse. Stick it in reverse. We have motion. So, no power steering yet, still don't know why, but should make getting it out of the storage unit a damn sight easier and onto a truck to move it back home. So fingers crossed that'll be this Friday. Fingers crossed.